Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech 360. In this video, we are doing Food Tech Quiz number 34, topic Biochemistry. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. Unacademy is conducting combat on Kerala PSC for 10th level prelims. It consists of total 50 questions from the topics Science and Technology, Mathematics and Current Affairs. Top ranks will be getting exciting Amazon vouchers, so enroll now for free by using FoodTech360 as the referral code. Link is in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. These are major constituents of ligaments and blood vessels. Options A. Collagen, B. Elastin, C. Keratins, D. Fibroins. Correct answer B. Elastin. Question number 2. The structure of an enzyme is altered by options A. Irreversible inhibitor, B. Reversible inhibitor, C. Competitive inhibitor, D. Non-competitive inhibitor. Correct answer A. Irreversible inhibitor. Question number 3. The disease beriberi is due to a dietary deficiency in options A. Vitamin B1, B. Vitamin B2, C. Vitamin B6, D. Vitamin B12. Correct answer A. Vitamin B1 thiamine. Question number 4. Synthetic reactions of cell metabolism occurs in options A. Mitochondria, B. Cytoplasm, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Lysozyme. Correct answer B. Cytoplasm. Question number 5. Reducing sugar is the sugar oxidized by options A. Tollens reagent, B. Benedict reagent, C. Fellings reagent, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 6. Raffinose is made up of options A. Glucose plus fructose plus mannose, B. Glucose plus fructose plus glucose, C. Glucose plus fructose plus allose, D. Glucose plus fructose plus galactose. Correct answer D. Glucose plus fructose plus galactose. Question number 7. Nucleus in a cell wall discovered by options A. Robert Brown, B. Matthias Schleiden, C. Christian Rennie, D. Dedew. Correct answer A. Robert Brown. Question number 8. Dash modifies proteins after they are produced by the ribosomes. Options A. Mitochondria, B. Cytoplasm, C. Golgi bodies, D. Lysozyme. Correct answer C. Golgi bodies. Question number 9. Most common monomer of carbohydrate. Options A. Galactose, B. Mannose, C. Ribose, D. Glucose. Correct answer D. Glucose. Question number 10. Membrane bound sac found in nucleated cells that contain digestive enzymes that break down complex molecules in the body. Options A. Mitochondria, B. Cytoplasm, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Lysozyme. Correct answer D. Lysozyme. Question number 11. Lock and key mode was proposed by options A. Emil Fischer, B. Koshland, C. Rudolf Virchow, D. Robin Williams. Correct answer D. Robin Williams. Question number 12. Major protein of hair and nails. Options A. Collagen, B. Ferritin, C. Keratin, D. Resilin. Correct answer C. Keratin. Question number 13. It is a transportation against the concentration gradient and thus energy is required in this process. Options A. Active transport, B. Passive transport, C. Endocytosis, D. Exocytosis. Correct answer A. Active transport. Question number 14. If the material entering in the solid form, then the endocytosis is called as options A. Endocytosis, B. Exocytosis, C. Phagocytosis, D. Active transport. Correct answer C. Phagocytosis. Question number 15. Dash is only animal protein that is not considered a complete protein. Options A. Collagen, B. Elastin, C. Fibrin, D. Gelatin. Correct answer D. Gelatin. Question number 16. First theory about the cell is proposed by options A. Robert Brown, B. Matthias Schuliden, C. Christian Rene, D. Dedew. Correct answer B. Matthias Schuliden. Question number 17. Enzymes involved in the oxidative photophosphorylation of Krebs cycles are located in options A. Mitochondria, B. Cytoplasm, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Lysozyme. Correct answer A. Mitochondria. Question number 18. Basic amino acids. Options A. Methionine and cysteine, B. Lysine and arginine, C. Serine and threonine, D. Aspartame and glutamine. Correct answer B. Lysine and arginine. Question number 19. An extensive network of tubes that manufacture, process and transport materials within nucleated cells. Options A. Mitochondria, B. Cytoplasm, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Lysozyme. Correct answer C. Endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 20. Amino acids are bonded together by options A. Hydrogen bond, B. Amide bond, C. Imino bond, D. Peptide bond. Correct answer D. Peptide bonds. Question number 21. Acyl carrier protein ACP plays an important role in the biosynthesis of options A. Fatty acids, B. Amino acids, C. Sugars, D. Glycogen. Correct answer A. Fatty acids. Question number 22. A three-dimensional cavity bearing a specific charge by which the enzyme react with its substrate is called options A. Active site, B. Binding site, C. Catalytic site, D. Allosteric site. Correct answer A. Active site. Question number 23. A monosaccharide containing an aldehyde. Options A. Amylopectin, B. Amylose, C. Aldose, D. Ketone. Correct answer C. Aldose. Question number 24. A monosaccharide consisting of a 4-carbon chain. Options A. Triose, B. Tetrose, C. Pentose, D. Deoxysugar. Correct answer B. Tetrose. Question number 25. A linear polysaccharide. Options A. Glycogen, B. Cellulose, C. Amylopectin, D. Amylose. Correct answer D. Amylose. Question number 26. A deficiency of thiamine produces the disease known as options A. Beriberi, B. Scurvy, C. Anemia, D. Cataract. Correct answer A. Beriberi. Question number 27. A cofactor made of inorganic iron which is detachable is called options A. Prosthetic group, B. Coenzyme, C. Activator, D. Cofactor. Correct answer C. Activator. Question number 28. A carbohydrate that consisting of many monosaccharides. Options A. Monosaccharide, B. Disaccharide, C. Trisaccharide, D. Polysaccharide. Correct answer D. Polysaccharide. Question number 29. A carbohydrate that cannot be hydrolyzed into simpler carbohydrates. Options A. Monosaccharide, B. Disaccharide, C. Trisaccharide, D. Polysaccharide. Correct answer A. Monosaccharide. Question number 30. A carbohydrate that can be hydrolyzed into two monosaccharides. Options A. Monosaccharide, B. Disaccharide, C. Trisaccharide, D. Tetrasaccharide. Correct answer B. Disaccharide. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy is conducting a course on current affairs. In this course, Mansoor Ali sir will provide in-depth knowledge of current affairs for LDC. Similarly, Shafi Thompson sir will provide in-depth knowledge of natural science for HSA. These courses will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during doubt clearing sessions in the course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. Also, Unacademy has started a combo batch for 10th level prelims final preparation. Batch 1 is revision course on 10th level prelims. Batch 2 is a batch course on 10th level prelims through previous year questions. So don't miss a class. Subscribe to Unacademy. You will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.